Now we start the cooking. It's the chicken, the oil, put after you put the masala, put the onion, garlic, and onion, garlic, chili, make the fried mix.
टमाटर नहीं ये दो नमक पड़ेगा
Smell coming from the onion and garlic. After, what's that?
दालचीनी
He put the
what
this kahoy, oregano. After mix again. This is how to cook the chicken masala. Ay.